Um, I guess in this world to survive, we all think, or I used to think, that we need money to survive, right? Because we have to earn a living, we have to pay rent, we have to pay bills, we have to, educate our children, we have to help our family members, and it all requires money. But it's not only money that is going to survive us or keep us in this world. So, for example, let me talk about money. No, I was watching TV one time, and there was this commercial. It was a financial commercial, and the commercial said, "What's in your wallet?" And then I thought to myself, "Ha, that's a really interesting question." From the perspective of looking at money and ourselves from self-identity through Ho'oponopono, I said, I know what the question should be. The question should be, what's in our memory bank? What's in our subconscious mind? What's in our unihi pili? What are those memories that prevent us from being financially successful, getting out of debt? Yeah. We often think that we have these expectations that we have to reach. People expect us to be these maybe wonderful people who succeed. We have good jobs. However, the question is, what does divinity have in mind for us? Yeah. What have we from our past lives accumulated, created, or accepted that prevents us from moving forward? So again, this whole relationship to money is we have addictions, we have expectations, and we have beliefs about money. And all of these things are roadblocks. These are roadblocks that prevent divinity from coming to us to present to us what truly should be our pathway and our relationship with money in this world.